Hi everyone, my name is Mai and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a dish that's made famous by the Oscar-winning movie Parasite called Ramdon, or also known as Jjapaguri with steak. Now what it is in essence, it's a instant noodle dish that combines two different types of instant noodles, Neoguri and Chapagetti, and topped off with some sirloin steak. Now you might think that's a bit extravagant and unnecessary, however when I tried to do it at home, it's actually quite delicious and takes very little time. So I'm going to show you guys how I've recreated it at home and I hope you guys find it useful. So yeah, enjoy! First off, we'll need to cook the steak. I've rubbed some salt and pepper onto this cut of sirloin and we're going to sear it for about 3 minutes on each side. This is optional, but I've also added some soy sauce to give it a richer, darker color. Once done, we're going to leave the steak to rest on the side. Now we're going to move on to the noodles. We're going to use a pack of Nongshim Neoguri and Chapagetti Instant Noodles. Add the noodles from both packs into a pot of boiling water. Then take the sachets of dried vegetable flakes and start making it rain. Leave the noodles to cook for a few minutes until they expand and loosen up. Meanwhile, take the steak aside, slice it up, and return the pan back onto the stove. Transfer the noodles into the pan, then add some of the water as well. Now take the soup packets, add the whole pack of Chapagetti powder and half of the Neoguri powder, and then start mixing. Once the noodles turn into an even dark brown color, add in the steak and give it a quick stir. Since we're being extra, I'm also adding a soft boiled egg. Finish everything up with some spring onions and some sesame seeds. And that's it. Bon appétit! Now time for the taste test. You know what? This was actually really delicious. I wouldn't necessarily put a steak every single time I'm going to cook instant noodles. However, it did make me realize that Chapagetti is probably my new favorite Korean instant noodle brand. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to hit like and also subscribe. And if you'd like to check out more of my content, I'll put the link down below to my blog, and also remember to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.